Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make whipped cream using Dispenser updated. Charge the canister, chill the cream in Dispenser, and measure 1 cup cream with 1 tablespoon sugar and 1 teaspoon vanilla. Pour cream into the chilled dispenser, secure the head, insert a charger, shake gently for 10 seconds, then test dispense on a plate to adjust firmness. Keep it friendly and enjoy quick, fluffy results with minimal cleanup. Start by pre-chilling your dispenser, bowl, and cream to get a stable foam quickly. Measure ingredients precisely: 1 cup cream, 1 tablespoon sugar, and 1 teaspoon vanilla, then pour them into the dispenser. Seal the head, attach the charger, and hold the nozzle away from your face when releasing gas. Shake the dispenser gently to incorporate the gas, and test on a plate to find the perfect firmness for desserts or beverages. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing simple kitchen tips. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car, so consider grabbing Little Tree's black ice to keep your ride smelling great after dessert runs. I've linked it and other deals in the description, so check there for details and offers, and now let's get back to the video. If your whipped cream is too soft, try chilling the dispenser and cream more and reduce shake time slightly before dispensing. For grainy or over-whipped batches, allow the cream to rest in the fridge and gently re-chill, then redispense a small amount to test texture. Always clean the nozzle and head immediately after use to prevent clogging and lingering flavors, and rotate chargers per manufacturer guidance for consistent results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.